Today we are making delicious and nutritious vegetable salad recipe for weight loss. Vegetable salad for weight loss recipe. Garden Delight salad. Ingredients: 2 cups mixed greens, lettuce, spinach, arugula. 1 cup cherry tomatoes. 1 cup sliced cucumbers. 1 cup sliced bell peppers, half a cup carrots. Half a cup sliced zucchini. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 100 calories. 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 100 calories. Instructions: combine mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, and zucchini in a large bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil and lemon juice. Pour dressing over salad and toss to coat. Sprinkle parsley and mint on top. Nutritional benefits: mixed greens rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Cherry tomatoes low calorie, high in vitamin C. Cucumbers low calorie, high in water content. Bell peppers high in vitamin C antioxidants. Carrots high in fiber, vitamin A. Zucchini low calorie, high in water content. Parsley and mint rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Weight loss tips: eat this salad as a main course or side dish. Use portion control, approximate 150 calories per serving. Incorporate salads into your daily meals. Low-calorie dressings. Drink plenty of water. Variations: add grilled chicken or salmon for protein. Substitute mixed greens with kale or spinach. Use different colored bell peppers. Add sliced avocado for healthy fats. More weight loss salad ideas: spinach and strawberry salad with feta. Roasted veggie salad with lentils. Grilled shrimp and quinoa salad. Kale Caesar salad with chicken. Cucumber and tomato salad with Greek yogurt. Tips for sustainable weight loss: eat nutrient-dense foods. Keep hydrated. Exercise regularly. Get enough sleep, manage stress.